So just wanted to tell you the Aesthetic Edge. I was looking to see if she found all the Halloween fantasy makers, and she put links to to get it at Walmart, and I couldn't believe they said that they had. My Walmart said they had like I think they said 6 of the white mascaras, and I was like, but they had the end cap display. Did they like put out the big display as well, you know? So I said, well, the only way to know is to go ahead and order it for a pickup. And they had it. So the only thing I can think of is that they got the big display. I called Ulta and they said that they finally got a display in and they got refills of it. So I don't know if Walmart, they just got 2 displays or they just got a lot of it in. I don't know. But I went ahead and I ordered it and picked it up. And what I did was I used nail polish. And then I had a lot of pigments. And so I just put it in a bag. And I put the pigment in the bag. And so when I'm going to use it, I'll know that this is all together. So, yeah, I went through all of the pigments that I had, and I got the orange. I don't have an orange bag, but I got the orange one, and I put like a band on it with nail polish, and the same thing with the red. So, yeah, I bought a long time ago the MAC red pigment, and I don't really use it that much, so. Yeah, that's what I put in here. So I got that just to let you know. So yeah, that's all I really have to talk about. I got the ingredients in my home, and I think I'm gonna do the color removal to get this green out, and then probably part my hair in 2 and then do this again. So yeah, I think that's it. And like I said, I might not see you guys next week until actual Halloween day, which a lot of people are calling the spooky season now. I don't know if it's because Halloween has a religious connotation to it, All Hallows Eve, I don't know. But I like that, the spooky season. But anyway, so yeah, that's that. All right, we'll see you guys at probably the end of next week. Mwah.